Meet Iranian Yasin guided weapon. The Yasin is a smart guided bomb with folding wings that can be fired from a range of 50 kilometers of its target from manned or unmanned aircraft. Yasin is a smart long-range guided bomb that can hit the targets after being launched from a distance of more than 50 kilometers. It can be used in all weather conditions, is mounted on various types of manned aircraft and drones, enjoys safety features, and could be used in the operations against the short and long-range targets. This Yasin missile provides Iran better capability to engage the enemy targets much more precisely and from longer standoff ranges. Iran claims that missile power also deters any regional and extra-regional acts of aggression, and the range of the missiles is also increasing constantly.